Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tag YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use photo booth features on Instagram. So photo booth is the latest updated features of Instagram, and then if you want to use this you have to watch this video till the end. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get the more informative videos every day. So guys, what you need to do here, it's very pretty simple. You just need to go to Play Store. You just need to go to Play Store here, and then after that here you need to search for Instagram. So after searching for Instagram, you can see here update button. Simply you need to tap on this update button, and then you have to make sure that you updated your Instagram. So after this, what you need to do, if you're using iOS, you have to simply go to App Store, and then you have to update your Instagram. And then let me just show you how you can use the photo booth features on your Instagram. So let me just get inside the Instagram. This is my Instagram official account. So what you need to do here is very pretty simple. You just need to click on the option here. You can see this is the option, so you just need to tap here on the profile option here on the plus icon. You can see here, simply go to the story section, and then here guys, here you can see the option here. So you just need to tap here, and then here you will find an option that is photo booth. Simply you need to tap on photo booth, and then how to use this I'm going to show you in this video. So you have to just tap here like this, 3 2 1. So here you have to capture one photo, two photo, and three photo. So you can see here guys, in this way you can use these features. It will captured by automatically. So you can see here, this is how you can use the photo booth features. So it is something amazing. So if you like the video, please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.